Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh. Today I am going to tell you about flow and density as a part of traffic stream characteristic. So let's begin. Flow is defined or flow volume is defined as the number of vehicles passing a particular point during a particular period of time duration. Now this is expressed as vehicles per hour. Now it basically changes or it depends upon time, so it changes with time also. From hour to hour it shows a different pattern. From months to months it shows a different pattern. From days to days it shows a different pattern. On weekends it has a particular pattern, and on weekdays it has a particular different kind of pattern. Now there are four major volume measurements. First one is the average annual daily traffic. Second one is the average annual weekday traffic, and third one is the average daily traffic, and fourth one is the average weekday traffic. So with these four parameters, basically we analyze the flow. Now the second term is basically the density. Density is defined as the number of vehicles occupying a particular length of road at a particular time. It is basically expressed as vehicles per kilometer. Now moving further, basically we have two different terms, which first one is the time headway, second one is the space or distance headway. Now time headway is basically the time difference between two successive vehicles when they cross a particular point, and space headway is the distance between two successive vehicles at any given time. Now basically the graph between distance and time is plotted. A straight line is basically achieved, which has a acute slope. Now there are various, this is I'm speaking of single vehicle. Now we plot for different vehicles. Now the difference, vertical difference between the two lines or two lines of different vehicles is basically the distance headway, and the horizontal distance between the two straight lines is basically the time headway. Now the lesser the time headway, that means the higher is the flow, because the vehicles are moving very fastly, and they basically are the time between the two successive vehicles crossing a particular difference between the two time difference between the two successive vehicle crossing a particular point is very less. So by analyzing this graph also, basically we can get to know about the density and the flow or the volume of the traffic. Thank you everyone for watching.